Surely you heard that some people are holding garlic near the pillow. But why are they doing this? In this video we will talk about the benefits of garlic. Firstly, it contains many vitamins C, PP, and B vitamins. Secondly, garlic contains potassium, phosphorus, calcium, sodium, and magnesium. Thirdly, it is rich in allicin, a substance that fights viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Why put garlic under a pillow if you can just eat it? Germs. Vitamins and minerals are good, but the main secret is that garlic contains a large amount of allicin. This substance has the ability to evaporate, and therefore, putting garlic under the pillow, you will provide yourself with treatment right in a dream. Allicin vapors will enter the body and fight germs throughout your night's rest. Help with a cold. Allicin is an effective tool for removing mucus from the sinuses. Therefore, people who suffer from a runny nose and sinusitis can safely put garlic under the pillow. After a couple of days, more precisely, nights, the nose will breathe in the same way as before the illness. Protect against cancer. An allicin blocks the synthesis of nitrosamines, carcinogenic compounds that enter the body and cause precancerous cell mutations. Most hazardous substances are found in mascaras, hair conditioners, shampoos, conditioners, and sunscreens. Of course, not all nitrosamines lead to the development of oncology, and yet most of them act this way. However, you will not even know that your cosmetics have such compounds. Manufacturers never indicate them on the label, since they are part of the product exclusively in the form of impurities. One way or another, garlic under the pillow will protect you from nitrosamines and help reduce the potential risk of cancer. Saves from a stroke. Substances that are released into the air from garlic prevent clogging of blood vessels with cholesterol plaques. Simply put, they help to remove all bad cholesterol from the body, one that tends to accumulate in blood vessels. But just a couple of times here will not be enough. In order to prevent atherosclerosis, stroke, and other cardiovascular diseases, putting garlic under the pillow will have to be done regularly. Protection against evil spirits. Earlier, it was believed that in this way you can protect yourself from evil spirits. Now the feeling of security and a sense of confidence is explained by the concentration of zinc. At first, it can be difficult to get used to the garlic scent under your pillow. But over time you will stop noticing it and make sure insomnia treatment. Increased performance. If this is not enough for you, then remember that garlic increases physical performance. The next morning you will wake up alert and energetic, and easily cope with your tasks. Relieve insomnia. Finally, garlic calms the nervous system, helps relieve stress, relaxes and helps to fall asleep. This is due to magnesium and potassium, which enter the human body. These substances stimulate the production of melatonin, a hormone that is necessary for a night of healthy and sound sleep. So, if you often suffer from insomnia, garlic under the pillow is your option. If you decide to take the advice of doctors and put garlic under a pillow or on a bedside table, note the clove must be fresh. Only in this case will beneficial substances be released from it. Dry or heat-treated garlic will not do you any good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for new incoming videos. Share, comment, like and press the bell icon.